Following a developing situation as the FDA is expected to authorize emergency use of a COVID-19 booster shot for those with weakened immune systems. Western Mass News getting answers for you on who would be getting this additional dose and what people think about it. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis live for us in Springfield now with more. Leon.
Yeah, Chris, what we're hearing from Baystate Health is this booster shot would be available to certain immunocompromised individuals, but they do not have specifics yet. In the meantime, I spoke with residents who believe this is a signal that the booster shot could become available to everyone soon.
It's going to be like the flu. You're going to get them every year from here on out for the next 20.
I think they should do it, just to be safe.
Western Mass residents sharing their thoughts as the U.S. Food and Drug Administration is expected to approve a COVID-19 booster shot for the immunocompromised. Western Mass News getting answers for you. We asked Baystate Medical Center Dr. Armando Paez what this means.
The booster shot is meant to increase the immunity by the primary series of vaccination.
Dr. Paez tells Western Mass News there is not a lot of public data when it comes to the booster shot, but says the need for someone immunocompromised to get a booster shot comes down to the level of antibodies.
The studies that at least most likely they will have is that they've been measuring all these levels of antibodies, and the question is really for how long the level of antibodies will be maintained and how much decrease in the level of antibodies there is in immunocompromised patients.
So I asked Dr. Paez directly, once emergency use authorization goes through, when could those first shots start going out?
Based on the limited data that has been published, for example, in transplant patients, they have given the booster shot like 2 months after the last one in very limited number.
As for ensuring their approved shots are only going to those immunocompromised,
so the details of the process likely needs to be, determined. Probably, of course, I'm just guessing, probably the vaccination center will require some form of documentation.
Now, Dr. Paez says that the booster shot will likely be administered at established vaccination sites. Live in Springfield, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.